Hey guys, Clay here. Today we're talking about tomorrow and the next day and the next month, the next quarter, the next year. We're talking about how you see the future of your business. It hasn't been easy to see this. It's very hard to forecast initials, very hard to forecast rebills, to see what's going to happen with your chargebacks, to really understand how your business is going to evolve. But you need to. You've got goals for the month, you've got goals for the quarter, you have goals for the year, and you need to see whether you're on track or you're not. So, what do we do about it? What we do is we take a look at all of the data that you have from your past. Some of our clients we've been working with for years and years and years. We have tons of data, we've been able to see patterns, and those patterns allow us to predict what's going to happen next in their business. The more data that we have, the better we are at prediction. It also has to do with the type of data. So if there's lots of variation in the data naturally, like initials, for example, it's pretty hard to be able to tell what's going to happen next, because what happened yesterday was more random, let's say, than what happened yesterday with your rebills. Rebills are more consistent. We know where they're coming from. We know the likelihood of someone after their first rebill having a second one. We know when it's going to happen, and we're able to combine that data of rebills, initials, and give you an indication of where you're going to be. And the way that we do that is by using some math called R squared, coefficient of determination. And essentially what that allows us to do, and I'm drawing it here so you can take a look, is show you within a certain range how likely it is that the result will hit the forecast. So we're saying within this band, 90% of your future outcomes are contained. So we've got your high, we've got your low, and we have the average. We have the thing in the middle that we think that you're going to hit. So that's how we do it, and that allows us to predict. The more data we have, the more consistent the data is historically, the better we are at forecasting. And the better you are at seeing what's going to happen next and what you need to do about it now to change it. So if it looks like the result is going to be not what you want, you can take action now. If it looks like you're on track, hey, celebrate, do more of that. But without being able to see the future, you're kind of lost about what to do today. So that's why we created the forecast. And we hope that you're able to use it to take the right decisions today, tomorrow, and the next day to make the best month, quarter, and year for your business.